Today we are going to make cake rusk that are super crispy and very delicious in taste. The ingredients that are to be used in it are 4 eggs, 185 ml of oil and 185 grams of sugar, 6 grams of baking powder and 200 grams of refined white flour or all-purpose flour. The equipment that we need for this purpose are a brush, a hand whisker, a beater, a tray and a bowl that is to be used for mixing all these. Let's get started. Add eggs into the bowl and start whisking it. You can use both the hand whisker or a beater for this purpose. Keep on whisking it for the aeration purpose. Whisking is necessary in this process. We add air to our eggs so it will increase the loaf volume of our final product. Now it's time to add 185 grams of sugar in it. And I will whisk it again. As you can see that I am whisking it. Keep on going. And after that I will add 185 ml of oil that I have already measured. Oil is used in it. Some people use butter in it and some people use ghee in it. Now it's time to add other ingredients that are 200 grams of our refined white flour, 6 grams of our baking powder and a pinch of salt is added in it. Again keep on mixing it to make the batter. Now as you guys can see that our batter is getting ready. As you can see the texture of our batter, it is super smooth. But I am still whisking it. So, it's time to prepare our tray and to move towards the baking. I am glazing the tray and I have placed a paper at the bottom so that our cake will not get attached or stuck in our tray. Glaze it properly. Pour the batter in the tray. As you can see that I have poured all the batter that was in my bowl in the tray. Now after adding the remaining quantities, I will shake it a little so that it becomes in a level. So it's time to bake the cake. Now I am making adjustments of time, temperature and other parameters that are involved in it. I have selected the temperature of 180 degrees Celsius and the time I am going to set is 35 minutes. I have placed it. Now close the lid and wait for 35 minutes. As you can see, it has been baked. Now we will cut it firstly from the center and then it will be cut into small pieces. So these are the pieces and now they will again be placed in the oven for the final baking step. I have adjusted the temperature to 140 degrees Celsius and I have set the time for 15 minutes. So here is our final product. As you are seeing that these are really super crispy and delicious in taste. Must try it and keep on supporting. Thank you.